you believe I've just managed to push my thumb through that chassis rail on the other side? Been sitting here quite a while now, just debating on what to do with this side of the bus, and I can feel quite a lot of loose rust inside of this channel, and to be honest, I'm not too happy with the looks of it, so I think I can make that look a lot better. This whole side's pretty ugly everywhere. So after just cutting that small section out, I think it's probably best to take the whole channel out, because the actual top of the channel inside is totally rotted away. So that's pretty much all the worst of the rust cut out on this chassis leg now. Got some weird and wonderful shapes going on up here. Going to rethink my plan. I'm actually going to buy in the off-the-shelf chassis leg, and I'll use the steel that I've got to make up the sections surrounding it. I think I'll end up doing the same as the other side and mirroring that, and cutting the cab floor out just so I can get a weld on top of that leg. And this one was a little bit of a surprise as well. It was a little bit too far. Got than originally thought. So I may end up buying that section in as well. That's pretty much everything that needs to be cut out. So it's a little bit pitted on the inside of the rail, but it's still very strong. There's no chance of that rotting out and going through in the near future. So I was toying with the idea of buying this complete section also, but now there's no need, so I'm just going to make up the pieces that I need to get that welded in. First I'm going to treat up inside again, as I did the other side with the old Pour 15 metal prep and Pour 15 rust converter, etc. Make up the new pieces and get it all welded in. But I do still think that I'm going to have to cut out that section of the cab floor still, so I can access both the top of these rails to get them welded together. I think I'm more happy that I've actually saved myself 96 quid by not purchasing this panel.